Hey there everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your iPhone 8 Plus from Xfinity Mobile. Alright everyone, so before we go ahead and begin with the video, go ahead and please give this video a like. It really helps us out a lot, and if the video helps you out, go ahead and share it as well. Remember, subscribe to this channel for videos like this. And also, there's going to be all the links and details down below in the description. Alright, so let's go right to the video. So maybe you have your iPhone with Xfinity, but you want to be able to use it on other carriers. Alright, but the phone is locked to the Xfinity carrier. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock it so that you can do that. So you can use it with any other carrier, either in the US or internationally that you want to use it on. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So first thing you're going to need to do is we're going to remove the SIM card. If you were using Xfinity, remove your Xfinity SIM card, which is in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and place, for example, I have a AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile. Let's go ahead and place the T-Mobile SIM card in here. Okay, so once you place the SIM card in from another carrier, it's going to take you to this screen, activation required. It's going to bring you here because the phone is not unlocked. So you have to connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm going to do that now really quickly. Alright, and it's going to give you this message right here. It's going to say SIM not supported when you try and use it on another carrier. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to unlock it so that we can bypass this and use the phone with the SIM card that you want to use it on. So let's go ahead and get right into it. What we're going to do is, now we're going to take out the T-Mobile SIM card that we put in there. We're going to put the SIM card down for a sec. So what we're going to use is, we're going to use this special unlock chip right here. Okay, it's a very thin unlock SIM card. Look how thin it is. Super thin. Alright, and then we're going to place this in the SIM card tray. And we're going to place it with the flap down. This little part will go under it like that. Okay, and just make sure it's positioned in there correctly like that. Okay, and then we're just going to place the SIM card that we're going to use right on top of it. In this case, I'm going to be doing it with T-Mobile. So push it in once it's in there correctly. And once again, it's going to bring us here to the activation thing again. We're going to go ahead and hit continue. And once again, it's going to give us this message here. Okay, but this time what we're going to do is we're going to, now that the unlock chip is in here, what we're going to do is we're going to press the home button. We're going to go to emergency call, and we're going to type in star 5005 star 7672 star 0 pound. And then hit the dial button. It's going to give us this selection here. Just scroll down to edit ICCID. Edit ICCID. And then here we're going to type in the ICCID, which will be in the description as well. And the current ICCID right now is 8901 4104 2778 0604 9510. Once you have it typed in, hit send. It's going to say this, setup OK, restart your phone now. So hit accept and power the phone off and then back on. Alright, once the phone is powered off, we're just going to go ahead and power it back on. Remember, you must always leave your SIM card in there with the unlock chip. Okay, so it's going to take us to this screen here again, where we have to try and activate it now. But now that we have the unlock chip in here, it's going to unlock it and bypass the lock. And there we go. So as you can see, before it was saying SIM not supported, but now it activated the phone with the T-Mobile SIM card that we placed in here. And the phone is not from T-Mobile. See, it's reading the T-Mobile SIM card, carrier, T-Mobile. It's just that the SIM card isn't activated, so it's not picking up service. But, you know, if your SIM card is activated, it's going to pick up the service and the data signal right away. Just like if it was the phone was from T-Mobile. Alright everyone, so that is how you unlock your Xfinity iPhone 8 Plus. And remember, all the links are down below in the description for to get the unlock chip and also for the ICCID. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a like and share, and I will see you guys around in the next video. Peace.